Imagine you're sitting at home. Everything is calm, and suddenly, the ground starts shaking. Walls crack, fans swing, people panic. But what if I told you this shaking is caused by invisible waves traveling through the earth, faster than sound? And scientists can actually track these waves and find the exact spot where the earthquake started. Let's understand how. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is the sudden shaking of the earth. It happens when rocks deep inside the earth suddenly break or move. When this happens, energy is released, and this energy travels in the form of waves. The point inside the earth where it starts is called the focus, and the point directly above it on the surface is called the epicenter. Type of waves. Now imagine you drop a stone in water. You see waves spreading out, right? Earthquakes also produce waves, called seismic waves. There are two main types, body waves and surface waves, P waves. The first waves to arrive are called P waves. P means primary, because they are the fastest. They move in a push and pull motion, like when you stretch and release a spring. These waves can travel through solids, liquids, and gases, so they pass through almost everything inside the earth. S waves. Next come the S waves. S means secondary, because they arrive after P waves. These waves move side to side or up and down, like shaking a rope. But here's something important. S waves cannot travel through liquids. This small detail helped scientists understand what's inside the Earth. Both P waves and S waves are called body waves. Why? Body waves are seismic waves that travel through the Earth's interior, or body, rather than along its surface, generated by earthquakes or explosions. They are faster than surface waves, have higher frequencies, and are essential for studying Earth's internal structure as they pass through both solid and liquid. Then come the surface waves. These travel on the Earth's surface. They are slower, but much more dangerous. They make the ground roll and shake violently. This is what causes buildings to collapse. Shadow zone. Now here's something interesting. There are some areas on Earth where no seismic waves are detected. These are called shadow zones. Why does this happen? Because S waves cannot travel through liquid, and P waves bend when they pass through different layers. This helped scientists discover that the Earth has a liquid outer core. Type of earthquakes. Not all earthquakes are the same. There are different types based on how they are caused. Tectonic earthquakes. These are the most common. They happen due to the movement of tectonic plates. Volcanic earthquakes. These happen near volcanoes. Collapse earthquakes. Caused by caves collapsing, usually small. Explosion earthquakes. Caused by human activities like mining or nuclear tests. Effects of earthquakes. Earthquakes can be very dangerous. Let's look at their effects. Primary effects. Ground shaking. Buildings collapsing. Roads cracking. Secondary effects. Tsunami. Landslides. Fires. They can cause loss of life, damage property, and leave people homeless. Frequency of earthquakes. Did you know earthquakes happen every day? But most are so small that we don't feel them. They are measured using the Richter scale. Small ones cause no damage, but strong earthquakes can destroy entire cities. Locating the epicenter. Now the big question. How do scientists find where an earthquake started? They use a method called triangulation. Here's how it works. Seismic stations record the arrival time of P and S waves. The time difference tells the distance. They take data from 3 different stations and draw circles around them. Where all 3 circles meet, that is the epicenter. Like solving a puzzle. So now you know. Earthquakes are not just random shaking. They are powerful waves traveling through the Earth. From P waves to shadow zones, each part helps scientists understand our planet better and even predict and prepare for disasters. If you found this interesting, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because the Earth has many more secrets, and we're just getting started.